Asteroid Day has now become a very definite plan of action, and on June the 30th we are opening up the petition, which we call 100X, to the public. It's already been signed by a number of top scientists around the world and astronauts, and we're asking the public to sign this petition, which will go to the governments of the world to try and get them to prioritise this as a project. 100X means we are trying to ramp up the rate of detection of these possible impacting objects 100 times. So we need to be 100 times better at finding these objects than we are now in order to get ourselves into I was going to say a safe place, but in order to start getting us towards protecting ourselves.
Looking at the Earth from space, you realize what a precious place this is.
You realize that we have a responsibility to continue safe operations on board Spaceship Earth. And that means protecting humanity.
Asteroid impacts are tremendous events.
If they hit Earth, bad things can happen. And so, for example, the asteroid that hit in Tunguska in 1908 was about 40 meters across. Okay, and that caused an area of devastation roughly the size of the San Francisco Bay Area. There's a million or so objects whose orbits cross Earth's orbit. And we currently know of about 10,000 of them. Our project, called Sentinel, is to launch a telescope, a space telescope, to catalog and track and make this map of all the asteroids in the inner part of the solar system. The first thing that we'll use the map for is to scan ahead and see if any of those orbital tracks puts it in a location where the Earth is at the exact same time, because that means there's a collision coming up. So if there is going to be a large collision coming up, we will know about it with enough advance notice, decades, that the job of deflecting it is actually not that difficult. On average, the amount of velocity change that you need to give to an asteroid to keep it from hitting is something like a millimeter per second. So, if an asteroid is moving, say, 100,000 miles per hour around the sun, then I can make its speed 100,000 miles an hour plus this much. That can prevent the impact. The second thing we will do is it will give us a list of all the places we might care to visit, either through robotic missions or through someday, hopefully, human missions. And this will again be the definitive map of where all those things are. We've been given a gift. And the gift is that we have the ability now to go out there and actually do something which affects positively the future of humanity on Earth. And that's a gift you can't turn down.
Well, we feel a certain urgency to get on with it so that we can be confident that we're not going to have a cosmic disaster here for no good justifiable reason, just because we didn't get with it. So let's get with it. That's the name of the game.
Hi, greetings from London, and it's my pleasure and privilege to read out the new Asteroid Declaration. As scientists and citizens, we strive to solve humanity's greatest challenges to safeguard our families and quality of life on Earth in the future. Asteroids impact Earth. Such events, without intervention, will cause great harm to our societies, communities and families around the globe. Unlike other natural disasters, we know how to prevent asteroid impacts. There are 1 million asteroids in our solar system that have the potential to strike Earth and destroy a city. Yet we have discovered less than 10,000, just 1% of them. But we have the technology to change that situation. Therefore, we, the undersigned, call for the following actions. 1. Employ available technology to detect and track near-Earth asteroids that threaten human populations via governments and private and philanthropic organizations. 2. A rapid 100-fold acceleration of the discovery and tracking of near-Earth asteroids to 100,000 per year within the next 10 years. And 3. Global adoption of Asteroid Day, heightening awareness of the asteroid hazard and their efforts to prevent impacts on June 30th, 2015. I declare that I share the concerns of this esteemed community of astronauts, scientists, business leaders, artists and concerned citizens to raise awareness about protecting and preserving life on our planet by preventing future asteroid impacts. Thank you.
The Nuclear Test Ban Treaty Organization monitors the Earth around the clock, listening for the infrasound signature of nuclear detonations. Between 2000 and 2013, this network detected dozens of massive explosions in our atmosphere. But not a single one of them was caused by a nuclear weapon. The actual cause? Asteroid impacts. Between 2000 and 2013, there were 26 recorded asteroid impacts on Earth, ranging in energy from 1 to 600 kilotons. For comparison, the nuclear bomb that destroyed Hiroshima in 1945 exploded with an energy of 15 kilotons. While most of the asteroids shown here exploded at too high an altitude to cause damage on the ground, they do remind us that asteroid impacts are not rare. An asteroid large enough to destroy an entire city hits the Earth on average once a century. Because we don't know when or where the next major impact will be, our current strategy for dealing with asteroid impacts is blind luck. But we can change that.
Hi, my name is Anusha Ansari and I'm an engineer, also a space explorer and an entrepreneur. I'm also one of the original signers of the Asteroid Day 100X Declaration. And I'm here to tell you that Asteroid Day is a global movement to protect our planet. You know, there are lots of asteroids whizzing by our home planet every day, and we don't know if any one of them will strike us. At Asteroid Day, we want to figure out if there is a potential danger from anyone and to prevent that from happening. And we need your support. So follow us on Twitter at asteroidday.org and also come and sign the declaration at asteroidday.org. I look forward to your support and helping us to make sure we don't end up with the fate of the dinosaurs.
Hi, my name is Chris Hadfield. I am an astronaut and a test pilot and an occasional guitar player. I support Asteroid Day because it's a shooting gallery out there.
I'm Dumitru Dorin Prunariu, the first Romanian astronaut and the president of the Association of Space Explorers Europe. I support the Asteroid Day as the main important event to aware the population on neo-hazard and on the efforts of the scientific community to protect our planet.
Hi, I'm Helen Sharman. I'm an astronaut, but we're all travelling through space really, because the Earth is, along with countless asteroids. Sooner or later, a significant asteroid will come our way, and I'd like us to be able to do something about that.
Hi, I'm Jean-François Clairvoy, astronaut, and I support Asteroid Day because I believe humankind is smart enough today to be able to minimize the risk.
Hi, I'm Patrick Michel, a planetary scientist at Côte d'Azur Observatory and original signer of the Asteroid Day 100 Cross Declaration. Asteroids are fascinating because they contain key information on the origin and evolution of our solar system, but some of them also represent a threat. Together, we can protect our planet from an asteroid impact.
Hello, my name is Roger Blandford, and I am a supporter of Asteroid Day, when we want to increase global awareness of the dangers of asteroid impact and the relatively straightforward way through which we can mitigate them. If we can collaborate internationally to address this challenge, then perhaps we will have a better basis to address the many other existential challenges to life on Earth. Please join us at the many scheduled events and tell your friends. Thank you very much.
Hi, I'm Jill Tarter. I'm interested in finding out whether intelligent life exists beyond Earth, as well as preserving and protecting life that we have here on planet Earth. So, on the 30th of June, I'm going to be participating in the first International Asteroid Day. I urge you to participate as well. Go to www.asteroidday.org and learn what's happening around the world. Learn about asteroids. Learn about this natural disaster that we can prevent. Find out what you can do and start by signing the 100X petition, urging global leaders to get on with the job of discovering these potentially dangerous rocks and dealing with them.
Hi, I'm Tom Jones, veteran astronaut and planetary scientist, and I support Asteroid Day because it's a great way to spread the word about how we can work together to use space technology to prevent a future asteroid impact on planet Earth.
I am Adigun Ade Abiodun, retired United Nations expert on space applications. I'm former chairman of the United Nations Committee on the Peaceful Uses of Outer Space. I signed the Asteroid Day 100X Declaration because we have to work together to protect our home planet and all its inhabitants from the potential impact of asteroids.
Hi, I'm Dave Eicher, Editor-in-Chief of Astronomy Magazine and Editor-in-Chief of the Asteroid Day Project. I'm proud to be a 100X signatory of the Asteroid Day effort. The threat to Earth from nearby asteroids in the solar system is real. We've seen recent close passes of asteroids and a small rock plummeting into Russia 2 years ago that injured more than 1,500 people. If the impactor that struck Tunguska a century ago hit a major city today, it would produce the largest catastrophe in Earth's history. We need to raise awareness about this challenge to humanity. Astronomers need to catalog 100 times the number of space rocks they now know about. Even a small asteroid striking Earth, and we know it will happen again, could be a horrific disaster for humankind. Please help us spread the word about Asteroid Day and participate in the first Asteroid Day on June 30th, 2015. Thank you.